Hello everyone. This video takes you through a quick introduction of the updated AutoCAD 2027 interface. To follow along, make sure you have the file introduction.dwg, which I have already provided to you in the resources section of this video. As you can see, this file is a floor plan of a modern office building complete with grids, dimensions and furniture. Before we start, just ensure that you are in the Model tab, which is visible in the bottom left of your screen. This is your primary workspace where all the actual design and drafting happens. Let's start at the very top. In the top left corner, you will see a large red A. Clicking this flyout opens the application menu. This is your hub for file management. Things like exporting, printing, and drawing utilities. Just to the right of that, you will find the quick access toolbar. These houses your everyday essentials like new, open a file, save as, print, undo, and redo. In the 2027 version, you will notice these icons are even more crisper to support high resolution displays. Moving to the center of the top bar, we have the title bar, which displays the name of the current file. Further to the right is the info bar. Here you can search for help or features by typing in a keyword. You'll also see your Autodesk account details, that little head and shoulder icon. Since AutoCAD is a subscription based service, being signed in is essential for accessing your cloud settings. You also have direct links here to the Autodesk Store and to the Autodesk Help System. Now let's move down to the heart of the interface, the ribbon. The ribbon is organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, View, Manage, Output, Add-ins, Collaborate, Express Tool, and Featured Apps. Under the Home tab, you'll find the most used panels like Draw, Modify, Annotation, Layers, Block, etc. Each panel contains the tools you need to build your project. Notice the small drop down which you find on some panels. Clicking on these drop downs will reveal further hidden tools which you can later on pin it by clicking on this pin button. If you find yourself using these hidden tools often, you can click the pin icon to keep the panel expanded. Unpin it and it snaps right back to its original workspace, keeping your space clean. Just below the ribbon, we have our file tabs. This makes it incredibly easy to switch between multiple open drawings. In our current drawing, you can see I can toggle between the model space, layout 1 and layout 2. Layouts are where we set up our sheets for plotting. If you need a fresh start, you can just click on the plus sign at the end of the tab to create a brand new drawing. In the center, at the bottom of the screen, is the command line. Even with all these icons, the typing commands remains the fastest way to work with AutoCAD for many of the professional users. Finally, let's look at the bottom of the screen. This area is called as the status bar. This is arguably one of the most important areas of the interface. This is where you toggle your drafting aids like the ortho mode, the polar tracking, and the object snaps. These tools ensure that your lines are perfectly straight and your connections are mathematically precise. The 2027 interface is designed to stay out of your way while keeping everything you need within reach. We'll be diving much deeper into these specific drafting settings as we move through the rest of this Learning AutoCAD 2027 course. I'll see you again in the next lesson.